In modern manufacturing, molds define the precision, durability, and stability of every product. Today, let's explore the journey a mold takes from machining all the way to trial molding. After completing the preliminary preparations and drawing review, the mold officially entered the processing stage. Before CNC machining, the mold steel blank undergoes grinding and surface preparation. The prepared mold steel block is then loaded onto a large CNC machining center for rough machining, where reference surfaces and the main structure are established for subsequent precision processes. Afterward, the mold is transferred to a vertical machining center where the cavity, inserts, and key structures are precision machined. Each tool path directly affects the final accuracy of the mold. This is followed by auxiliary machining operations, including drilling and tapping, to create threaded holes, locating holes and functional features required for assembly, positioning systems, as well as ejection and cooling mechanisms. Once all components are completed, the mold enters the assembly and trial fitting stage. Each component is carefully assembled into the mold base, where fit, alignment, and structure are first verified. During assembly, skilled technicians perform manual fitting and fine adjustments to eliminate interference and optimize clearances. For local dimensional deviations, welding is used for correction, followed by remachining for accuracy. Finally, the mold is fully assembled and prepared for trial molding. A finished mold is the result of equipment capability, process control, and accumulated experience. Only through precision and discipline at every step can truly reliable products be made. This is the true value of mold manufacturing. And this is the standard HLC stands by. Thank you for watching. See you next time.